Hello viewers, today I will show how you can download Windows 10 in your USB drive. This way you can make your bootable USB drive. Your USB drive must have 8 GB free space and of course you need an internet connection in your PC. Insert your USB drive. Check your USB drive is available in your PC. Format your USB drive if you need. Before, please transfer all of your essential data to another drive. This way you will not lost any important data, because after finishing the download the system will clean your USB drive except the Windows file. So viewers, to download your operating system Windows 10 you should have an empty USB drive so that you can download it without any problem. Open your computer internet browser and type Windows 10 to download your operating system. When you click on this link Windows 10 download, then you will see this page. Click on this link from the Microsoft to start your download process. From this page you can upgrade your Windows 10 by clicking on this link. If you have an operating system Windows 10 already installed in your PC, to prepare your bootable USB device, click on download the tool now. As you click on this, the Windows Media Installer will be downloaded on your PC. Click on this link from the down or click on the downloaded software from the downloads folder. You open your downloads folder, then you will see the Windows Media Installer software. You then click on it and you will see a page like a notification that do you want to allow this app to make changes on these devices. You select yes from there. After that you will see this page, the terms and condition from the Microsoft. Then you have to accept the terms and condition of Microsoft. Then you will see this page. If you want to upgrade your PC to Windows 10 directly, then click on upgrade now. This way you no need to format your PC. If you want to format your PC, then choose the second option, then click on next. Select your preferred language and edition. Select your system 62 or 64 or both. Select in which device do you want to download the Windows file. I am selecting the USB flash drive. You can select iOS file if you have a DVD writer and empty DVD disk available. Now click on USB flash drive, then click on next. Here the system showing my USB flash drive. Click on next to continue the process. So viewers, now your Windows 10 operating system will be started to download. You just wait patiently. Downloading time depends on your PC and the internet connection. When it shows that your USB flash drive is ready, then click on finish. Now the setup will clean your USB drive and it will delete all of the others file or data except the Windows 10 file. Now you can safely remove your USB drive by clicking on USB icon. So your bootable USB flash drive is ready now. I have another video in my channel about how to install Windows 10 in your PC by using a USB flash drive. Hope it will be very useful for you. So guys, thank you so much. See you in the next video. Goodbye.